pag magpumilit na mag-hearing bukas, yung Blue Ribbon Committee, ano,
I don't know how they will do that because there's already instruction to the Senate Sergeant at Arms. There's a new Sergeant at Arms. They will not be. And then there will be, we're contacting now the House of Representatives that this is the Senate new majority. And even Malacanang, there's already communication. We're just waiting for the reply.
Even the guests, hindi po papapasukin tomorrow. For instance, if the 18 ex-Marines surface.
Because it's invalid already. This is already a press conference, right? I'm telling you, I'm the new Blue Ribbon Committee chair because there's a new Senate majority. Yung sinasabi po nila sila Senator Marcoleta, hindi na po sila majority, nasa minority. They only have 10. Na kung gusto mo pumunta ng mga Marines, magmerienda, pameriendahin na lang dyan. Meron na mga